Now for this function we are giving g of xy is equals to 4 minus x squared minus y squared, and we are giving this point 1 comma 1 comma 2, where this would be x, this would be y, and this would be z. So being that this function is a function that doesn't have any variable z, we know that we might most definitely not be dealing with this point at z. So this is a multivariable function that has variables x and y. Now gx will be the slope of this function, the slope of x of this function. That is, we are going to differentiate with respect to x, the function. Now differentiating with respect to x, this gives us 0 because it is a constant value. Differentiating minus x squared gives us minus 2x. Differentiating minus y squared gives us 0 because y doesn't have a variable x. Now g of x at 1 comma 1 comma 2 is equal to, this means that we should put our values of x, y, and z after differentiating. Now we had minus 2x as our answer. Looking at this, we only have x. Y value doesn't appear. There's no variable y appearing, and there's no variable z appearing. So we only put our value for x as 1. Therefore, our slope in the x direction at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 is minus 2. Now finding our slope in the y direction, now we need to differentiate that function with respect to y. Now looking at this, 4 doesn't carry a variable y. Differentiating 4 gives us 0. Differentiating minus x squared gives us 0 because any other thing aside y is a constant value. So differentiating minus y squared gives us minus 2y. Now the slope in the y direction given 1 comma 1 comma 2 is equals to, putting our value for y, this gives us minus 2 times 1 because this is x, this is y, this is z. So gy at 1 comma 1 comma 2 is equals to minus 2. Therefore our slope in the y direction at 1 comma 1 comma 2 is minus 2. So looking at this, the slope in the x direction and the slope in the y direction gave us the same value, which is minus 2 and minus 2. So we've been able to solve the second question in the test question.